Karia itura ria Kĩanjokoma gĩcigo kĩa umbunge kĩa Runyenjes nimeyumirire kwa wingi kuva Njirũ na Mũtura gĩtĩo kĩa mũthia atwarithia a nduthi magitongoria mũtongoro wa nduthi na ngari kuingira kuria igongona ria mathiko ritavanĩrio cukuru wa muthingi wa Kĩanjokoma. Igongona ria mitha ritongorwe ni muthikavu wa kanitha wa Gatoreki diocese ya Embu Paul Kariuki na kuria kuma na magana ma andu kuma ituri citiganite guka gucakaya na family. Muthikavu uyu agikumithia ikuũ icio na kuga iroto cia anake aya airi cikinyite muthia ni undu wa maobitha a borithi kwaga kihariro.
Turegua ngorori cietu turiritwe ni anake ega marerutaniritie thiini wa utoro wao. Nikige gutuma mundu mwega aoragwe wa uguo ndakame yake itururu wa uguo mwikinayo cio ndakame eno ya Benson na ndakame ya Emmanuel wanokethitha atia igature kurumagirira tiri ya Abeli ya rumirire Kaini gegia ndagika ya muthia.
Andu a family ya atigaire matongoretwe ni Ndiga ka Munyoti ne makanyeritie na kuga no nginyagia kivoto gia ciana ciao kionekane.
We had a lot of hope in them. Now they are gone. We are praying to God and asking the government that no other parent should face what we faced, but most of all we want justice.
Mausoretwe ni kiriro andu a muci magwetete endwa aya ao ta andu marendete thayũ na aria marari na cioneki.
It is hard to believe that we are physically separated forever, but we are encouraged to know that we are in good hands of our Almighty God. In life we loved you, and in death we shall always love you.
Memories of you too will never leave us. The smiles, the laughter, your amazing entrepreneurial skills as youth, the support to all of us, and the bonding you did whenever you went.
It is very traumatizing, dehumanizing, unexplainable.
Muthenya uyu ukionania thavari ya muthia ya ariũ a nyina aya airi aria marite thĩinĩ wa mathiko maya makanyerete na kuga uyu ubati gukora arigo muthia wa ikuũ cia kiriga iria cionekanaga njarari cia maabitha a borithi. Inoro TV kumetura riria Kĩanjokoma kaunti ya Embu. Mbetagwa Peter Mũngai.